And welcome back. This is actually Eric Tallman from Southeast Lower Michigan with the National Weather Service, Detroit Pontiac. We just want to give you an update of all the active weather that we have been seeing. We are actually under a flood watch, and that is going to be effective until the National Weather Service actually brings that down. But we've had a lot of thunderstorm activity, and you can actually see right now just to the west of us that we actually have thunderstorms that are beginning to move in, and it won't be too much longer until they actually hit our area. You can actually see that they're going into Chicago, and it won't be too much longer until they hit Michigan. So we are going to see some more showers and storms, and we're also going to have heavy rain in the forecast again tomorrow, and this is going to go all the way until Friday. The good news is, let's go ahead and look way over to the west. The good news is, for right now, things are going to remain quiet, but wouldn't really say that because we also have not only thunderstorms, but we also have snow and rain-snow mix that's also developing. So we might even have a little bit of a rain-snow mix type of thing, wintry mix that may even slide in here as this thing pulls on through. So just when you think that things are going to calm down, there's a calm before the storm, so we'll talk about when the weather is really going to improve. But actually, that is going to be one of the questions I'm going to talk about, is that we do have a warm-up, and we'll talk about that in the 7-day forecast when I give you the morning update. But also, let's focus our attention way down here. There is the possibility, I guess there has been some kind of a decision that the National Weather Service is now bringing to our attention that there is going to be a tornado watch, and obviously that is in effect. Way down to the south and the Midwest, they're under a tornado watch that is in effect, and then way over in the Pittsburgh area, there was actually a tornado watch that was in effect. That's been canceled, so we'll just have to wait. It looks like for right now, where all the severe weather was, just south of Michigan and Chicago, it seemed like things are beginning to calm down for right now, but it looks like we might have another round of that where that tornado watch area, so we'll be watching that as well. We have flood warnings and watches that are actually in effect, and then Macomb County, I want to bring to your attention, is under a flood warning that will be ineffective until further notice, until Friday, I believe. We'll give you that update at 5 o'clock, but so far things have just been active, and then there's that snow and freezing rain that we've been talking about, and then when you go way over there, it's just active wherever you go. So we'll just give you a little stream. It's just been very active. It seems like when you think you're going to get a break from the rain and thunderstorms and whatever, it just does not stop. And now we just found out that there's another tornado watch that's actually in the just south of Michigan. So now we're really going to have to pay attention to this, because things are just getting more active as we speak. So we'll continue to keep you posted on the threat of all of this developing weather. And just when you think that the weather is going to calm down, that's not really the case. I'm just zooming in here so you can see where these watches are. There's that one tornado watch. That's right there. That just popped up just a minute ago. And then we're going to go down here, and then there's that other tornado watch. So we have tornado watch box 94 that's in effect, and then we have tornado watch box 92 or 93, I believe it is, that's in effect. So we'll continue to keep you posted. So as we speak, we even have that snow that's developing. So very active weather pattern. We have all this rain way down in all the way down there, even in Florida. So just about wherever you go, even in Washington, they're seeing some active weather down there. They were under a severe thunderstorm watch and a tornado watch. So just when you think that the weather is going to stay kind of quiet, that's not really the case. So let's go over here real quick, and then we'll have another update probably by the hour. If anything else comes up, we'll definitely bring that to your attention. So we will be watching the area of concern, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. There's actually a brief quietness to the storm, but unfortunately we'll be watching that very closely. So our main attention is going to be over here. So like I said, there's still those tornado watches that are in effect. So I think there's going to be area of concern for the potential for Michigan to see more thunderstorm activity. Maybe there might be a couple of some more strong thunderstorms. Really not expecting any severe weather, but I can't really rule that out for Michigan. Even though we said that severe weather is not going to be a threat, there is still the possibility of seeing some wind, lightning, thunderstorms, and maybe some hail with this. But a very low chance of tornadoes, so I don't really think a tornado threat is really going to be the main issue. It's just going to be the heavy rain and the wind, and maybe some debris. So we'll talk about all this. We'll let you know when things calm down, but we do have some improvements coming up, and we'll talk about all those changes coming up. So we got to get through the bulk of the storm here, and we got to get through all this severe weather here. So we'll talk about all these changes coming up in just a little bit. We'll have your 7-day forecast in the morning at 7 o'clock, and we'll keep you posted by the hour on all of this potential of the active weather. That is going to continue for most of the Midwest. We'll let you know when things are going to calm down, when we're going to see some nicer weather. But we're going to have a very active, severe weather pattern for the rest of this year, so we'll let you know when things are going to calm down, and we'll let you know when we're going to have some nice clear weather, some sunny skies. We'll check out that 7-day forecast in just a little while. Stay tuned, we've got more to follow, and we'll see you guys back here at 5 o'clock. We'll let you know if there's any more watches or warnings. We'll let you know. We'll keep you posted by the hour. But we'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. The next update will be in the next several hours. We'll let you know. We'll have more extended coverage at 5 o'clock with all the updates. So stay tuned. We'll let you know if any severe weather is going to be a possibility for Michigan. We'll let you know. So stay tuned. But heavy rain and thunderstorms are going to be a threat again for your Thursday and Friday. So just take it easy if you're going to be traveling on the roads. And if there's any flooding and you cannot see where you're going, it's always a good idea to pull over to the side of the road. So we'll continue to keep you posted on all of this active weather. So there's more to follow. We'll see you guys later, and that's the main report. Have a good day. And we'll let you have another look real quick. There we go. We'll see you guys back here in the next several hours. Talk to you then. Bye.